Good afternoon all. The topic is efficiency and innovation. Actually, innovation and efficiency are the both coin signs. Actually, when innovation is changes and automatically the efficient is also changes. When we see normally, we have to think a lot more than the normal way we think. Then we'll get lot many ideas, and when we are coming into a conclusion that this is the problem for a particular idea, then what happens is we can normally come to a conclusion that this is the problem and I am suggesting this is my idea to it. And then we will be going for the next process, that seeking the industrial situations and how they are facing this problem, and we'll get lot many ideas. And the next thing is searching a very good mentor to your innovative idea, because they will be helping in all those things, suggesting you what the problem is, and these are the suggestions and these are the solutions that are already exist, and what innovative that you can bring and you can make a conclusion. And the next process that you can go further is, after getting a lot of suggestions from the mentor, you can make a conclusion that this is my idea to a particular problem. Then finally you can make more sprints in it, like this is my part of my project and these are the steps to be included in it. And finally, after making all those things, or making a lot of approvals from the lot of institution, you can make sure that this is a problem to a particular problem that so that you can say that efficiency will also be increased, because innovation, when it is changes, efficiency has to be more approval, and so that the efficiency we can able to bring in the lot many steps. When the efficiency is not in your idea, what happens is that your idea will not be gone to a government, and they can't be able to approve your idea to any of the problem. So from that, when innovation is more improved, then efficiency is also finally. So thank you.